Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learned animal names, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Are you ready toddlers? Do you want to learn their names? The first one is a lion king. This is a lion. L is for Lion King. This is a donkey. D is for donkey. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. This is a lioness. L is for lioness. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a hippopotamus. H is for hippo. This is a panda. P is for panda. P is for panda. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. S is for sheep.